should we do a show?
Woo!
Yeah. I mean, we're here, why not?
Yeah, why
You guys want to see a show?
Yeah.
Oh, inspiration for the show. How many people shop online on Temu?
Oh, don't ask her.
How many people shop online?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the last thing that showed up to your house that you did not order? Pepperoni, just me? Okay.
Dog leash.
Dog leash?
Yeah, dog.
Did you say pepperoni?
Yeah, it was a large pepperoni.
Oh, a very large pepperoni. Yeah, Deep Dish presents large pepperoni.
Oh, jeez.
Sorry, watch out!
Sorry.
I was throwing stuff.
Well, listen, I mean, that's kind of what you do in Tony's Pizza Shop. You throw pizzas. Here, catch!
Oh, jeez. Oh,
I got it.
come
It's
on.
all over you.
I just got this uniform.
I know, but you gotta muck it up a little bit, make it look like you work here.
I don't know. You're just so good at throwing stuff.
Yeah?
Last time I tried to do it, just went all
Just,
over.
yeah, kind of put it
All over the floor.
Yeah, kind of limp.
Yeah.
Listen,
Yeah.
if you're gonna take over this place someday,
I really hope
Jimmy,
so.
then I'm gonna need you to do something for me.
What's that, Dad?
Swear on this box of Hormel pepperoni that you will do your very best to support the Italian-American culture in this area. Do it. Swear.
Swear.
I swear on this box of Hormel pepperoni.
I swear on this box of Hormel pepperoni.
Say it like you mean it.
All right. Make me nervous.
Listen, I was nervous when I had to take over.
You never let me swear in before.
Well, you're 14 now. And if you are going to take over in 2 years' time when you have your official working papers,
Right? I love underage working because I have way more money than all the kids in school.
it's called voluntary, right? And I give you a little stipend. Your daddy's little helper. You always have that.
Or that time you, the car broke down and I was handing tools and you know what? You were swearing a lot there.
Oh yeah, you learned a lot of words that day.
Yeah.
And you're going to learn how to make a pizza. And you're going to learn how to be an accountant. And you're going to learn how to be a marketer. And you're going to learn to sell your soul to this whole goddamn town.
I can't believe you do all this stuff as one man running this shop with your 2 employees.
I'm a small business owner, and you think, what's her face?
Janet.
Janet? I don't even know. I haven't seen her in 3 years. She works in the basement making the sauce.
Yeah, you run the show here.
And what's his face? I don't know. Big guy, you know, Tony, Jimmy. No, I'm Tony, you're Jimmy.
Okay.
Steve,
No one knows his
Gary.
name. He just arrives and
He shows up
Pops
and
in
says,
and-
he says, here, I brought your cheese.
right, then you need some pepperoni
Right.
and it's like
You also, that is one of your duties. You do have to nip that in the bud.
what?
He scares me. I mentioned the cheese to him once and he got very ornery.
Is it the beard?
I mean, it might be the beard.
Or is
It's
it
all,
just his presence around him.
yeah, he's very
Or like,
gloomy.
Yeah, like loom.
Kind of like walks
yeah,
like this.
Right, and he just comes up behind you and
Tickles you. Yeah. I didn't ask for that. So I tries that.
and I'm 14, so
You could pursue legal action. And you know what? You know what?
Yeah.
I think he means well.
I hope so.
He's just a weird guy in a hat.
You should stand up for me.
You know, ever since you started working here, you got a kind of an attitude, and I like it. Yeah. This is how you're going to talk to customers.
I never really wanted to work here in the first place. Right? Put all this pressure on me. You want me to swear in, which I didn't even do yet.
So you want to swear on the pepperoni or no?
I love pepperoni.
All right. So you're halfway there.
I love eating all the stuff here, like the peppers, the olives, pepperoni, especially the cheese.
We're going to go on a vacation because this is all you're going to know for the next 60 years. All right? And then when
Nothing else.
Nothing else. Just this Hormel pepperoni,
All right.
this off-brand Mott's, and that sauce that woman Janet makes in the basement that I've never seen. All right?
It's pretty dirty down there.
It's disgusting. Let's go check it out.
Really?
I should know what I'm getting into.
Give me the flashlight.
Janet! Down here making the sauce again, Janet.
Where else would I be?
Oh, that's a good worker, Janet.
I'm not allowed upstairs. Use a spoon.
Damn it, Janet, that's delicious.
Thank you. I mean, 20 years, it better be delicious.
Now, I gotta talk to you about something. That Jimmy, Tony's boy,
Yeah.
he's not cut out. I see you as the new leader of this place. And since
Really?
Tony doesn't even know my name, Mr. Peppercorn.
That's right, Mr. Peppercorn. How could I forget your name? It's one of my famous ingredients in my recipe.
I was honored that you chose it. Honored.
You inspire me.
Oh, I don't know about that. You
I
inspired
dream
me.
of you at night.
Oh, that was fast.
Peppercorns. I dream of peppercorns.
Oh, okay, that makes...
And garlic and onions and re-dehydrated garlic powder.
Less sexy now, Janet, but we'll move on, it's fine.
Yeah, I'm married.
I wasn't suggesting I'm happily married to the business. I'm happily married to the business, Janet. You think I could open 47 Tonys if I wasn't happy with the business? Each one different from the last?
See, that's why you're so impressive to me. 47. I just want one. I'd be fine with one. Just give me the soda revenue. I'd be fine with, like, just the soda. I just want to get out of the basement, actually.
I definitely feel that the management is the way you should go, Janet.
Yeah, I can straighten up. I can put on a uniform.
Definitely
and
put a shirt on. That's definitely
I
what
don't do that right
I know
now.
it's not down here, you're married, but I'm very nice not to look.
Nobody ever comes down here. It's just, you know, I can wear those tank tops all day long. Oh my gosh, you're
Janet, you
you're
got a
here in
shirt
my
on.
basement. Yeah, do you like it?
I mean, it's fine. I prefer the other way, but
Tony,
yeah.
why are you even keeping this woman in the basement when clearly she is your star pupil?
Have you had the woman's sauce?
Oh,
Here,
I've had the sauce.
have the sauce.
It's just as good as I remembered.
Thank you.
Look, I taste test.
So why are you hiding this beautiful woman and her beautiful sauce in this
Yeah.
ugly basement?
Because it's hot and humid down here, and look at her pores. I did her a favor. It's called a sauce facial.
You know, we're not allowed to do that after last time. We got in lots of trouble with that high school cheerleading team.
No more sauce facials.
I thought you liked it.
I put it like as a request in my annual review. No more sauce facials.
Okay, I thought it was more of a suggestion.
See, these are the things that make her better than Jimmy. She knows about the reviews.
He said it.
If you got something to say to my son, you'll say it to his face. We'll talk about it later. You.
Jimmy's
Mr. Peppercorn, who worked for 17 years for me.
Hey, guy.
Mr. Peppercorn!
Ah, man. I don't know. I'm surprised you didn't tickle me this time.
No, I've been told by the HR that I cannot do that anymore. I can't do the old spaghetti sauce fingers as much as you love it.
I really appreciate that.
So what are you gonna do for me if I'm not tickling you?
Jimmy. You want me to tickle you? Is that what you're implying?
I don't. Let's not throw that outside yet. But you need to earn your keep here. Look at you can't even make a personal pan pizza.
Well, let's see. I can watch. Olives. Look, that's cool.
You put olives on a plate.
Yeah, and then the dough.
The dough, the cheese, the sauce.
I'm just really bad at it.
Yeah, I know. That's why I asked your father why you're still working here.
It's so annoying. I don't even want to work here.
No passion for the business?
Not really. Dad works so hard.
Let me tell you, he got the job because his name is the name of my business. Tony's. I thought it would be a great thing, but he's terrible too.
So you're saying your name's Tony?
My name is Mr. Peppercorn!
I know. Not really. Tony. That's my dad.
Yes, that is your father, Tony.
Yeah.
Tony, Jimmy.
Yes. You. Man. Those basement walls are pretty thin.
Are you implying something, Jimothy?
I don't know. I just heard you guys talking the other day.
Heard talking. Go on.
About how I think you guys want to take over the business or something.
Let me explain something. I don't take over. Now you're wasting product.
What do you even do here? You're the janitor?
I am the owner of 47 Tony's Pizzeria Pepperoni Pizza Restaurants.
But Tony's the owner. Dad.
I'm telling you lies, boy.
Hi, Jimmy. Here, I got the pineapples for the new pizza.
Yeah, I thought you owned this place.
What have you been telling me?
I'm sorry, you are? Ah, nice to meet you. Here, you like this pineapple? We're gonna put it on the pizza. We're gonna get a little ham mixed in with maybe like a little, I don't know, Gouda. Sound good there? Prancy corn?
Sure,
Got
fine,
it.
Prancy corn.
Right.
Let's see it.
All right, you want to see it? All right, here, you hold this. You show us what you got.
Oh, you want to see what I got?
Yeah, come on, prickly pants. No! Get out of my pizza shop!
Yeah, Dad, you tell him.
Get out of my pizza shop, Tony's.
Yeah, janitor guy.
I didn't want to have to do this. I didn't want to have to do this. Sauce.
Oh, yeah. You put your hand in there too?
Mm-hmm.
That's Janet's secret. Oh, this is a new shirt.
Oh.
See, now this is what it's gotta look like. It looks like I work.
Sauce. You sauced him?
I did.
And not me?
Janet,
Push him to the limit.
put a shirt on.
Janet, he's a 14-year-old boy, for God's sake.
Look at my sauce.
You said you would sauce me first.
I said there's enough sauce to go around.
You know what, Mr. Peppercorn?
Who's that?
Who's that?
Jimmy, there's something in the basement waiting for you. I
Oh.
suggest you go get
It's
it.
creepy.
Yeah, perfect.
You're just trying to run me out.
Adults need to talk, Jimmy.
We need to talk.
These
Yeah,
two,
we need to talk.
they're really bad for business.
I know.
I think these
Hey.
guys are really bad for business.
I think we should change it, like we talked about, to Mr. Peppercorn's Pizzeria number 70.
I got customers upstairs. I'm gonna go wait on them.
You do that.
No funny
You
business.
make money.
No funny business.
I love that this is a double-decker pizza place. Yeah, the stairs are right outside. You can choose.
You're the one that asked for the slide.
Yeah, that's the fastest way to get down.
Why don't you go check that out,
Slide.
Jimothy?
I just don't.
Whatever they call you.
Just don't mess up this thing for my dad. He really likes it here.
Yeah, your masterpiece.
And I don't even know who this guy is.
Oh, look, there's a balloon. So here's the thing.
We need to discuss.
You look like a real asshole, Mr. Peppercorn. And I'm sorry to say it, it's not just because I secretly have a crush on you and want to leave my husband for you. I have been making sauce in your basement for a really long time now. But they're going to be the demise of you. We're going to end up on a date.
I know. It's a very popular show. It would be bad for business.
Well, the business will be over. I mean, we might as well just like buy a Wiener Schnitzel or something.
Oh.
That doesn't make any sense.
I never want to get into wieners. Only pepperoni. So, show my loyalty to you by swearing on this Hormel box.
Okay.
Let me get the Pepsi soda.
Are you ready? Mr. Peppercorn, I vow to always be loyal to your chain of restaurants, whatever they may be, and only ask to be let out of the basement once in a while. Love, Janet.
Janet, I think this is the start of a beautiful thing, Janet.
I'm ready for it.
Making sauce in my basement.
We don't need those guys.
You can make sauce upstairs now.
Really? That's like my Christmas wish for the last 10 Christmases.
We're gonna get you.
And what would you like for Christmas?
I just want to leave the basement.
No!
I just want to make sauce upstairs where there's windows and trees and birds outside.
Father Christmas will not bring that to you. Absolutely not.
All right.
Stay there.
Can I get an iPad? It's been my dream. Thank you. I owe you so much.
Absolutely, Janet. We have a nice unisex bathroom that we're gonna get you set up in because it doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
You can
okay,
make the sauce
yeah.
right there in the sink.
Oh, we've got plumbing, we've got hot water, cold water, we've got a drain. I'm ready to go.